welcome to another Battle Games in Middle Earth YouTube video. Now this video is the start of a new series for the channel. I know I haven't finished all my other previous series, but let's move on. Let's get on to something new and exciting, because although I'm doing some painting tutorials in the meantime, I want to get down to the tables and have a few games. And it just so happens my local gaming store, Imps Gaming in Lincoln, is hosting a few challenges, basically because it's the birth month of J.R.R. Tolkien. So they're doing 4 challenges to get people interested in the Middle Earth strategy battle game. The idea is they're going to increase in sort of difficulty over the 4-week period in order to try and get new players interested in playing a few games and hopefully learning the rules and then become fully fledged strategy battle gamers. So, although I'm already I guess an interested gamer, I thought I'm going to take part in these all these 4 challenges. And what I'll do is I'll put them all on the channel, film every single one of them. There's going to be 4 over the next 4 weeks, and I'm going to film them all and put them all on this channel. So hopefully, fingers crossed, by the end of, well, the sort of second week of February, I will have 4 new videos for you. Fingers crossed they all come up in time. Apologies if they don't. But the aim of the game is to have 4 videos done and to have a Gandalf the White, brand new Gandalf the White, painting tutorial up on the channel within the next 5 or 6 weeks or so. So fingers crossed all that happens. But now straight on to this video. Essentially, it's the race to the Buckleberry Ferry from, of course, the Fellowship of the Ring. The 4 hobbits are running through West Farthing Wood, pursued by the Ringwraiths. In this scenario, a slightly adapted scenario, it's kind of invented for the specific purposes of the club's games. Basically, the 4 hobbits are running on foot and 2 Ringwraiths are pursuing them up towards a jetty. It's a very small board, and they have to get from the one edge to the jetty and get off the jetty. The 2, I suppose, objectives are get them to the jetty and don't lose either Frodo or Sam. Merry and Pippin, apparently they're disposable in this scenario. The 2 Ringwraiths that are pursuing them are about as basic as they can get. They each have 1 might point and the minimum amount of will, which is 7. It's going to be up to Ben, who I'm playing against in the shop, to work out what best to do with his will. So without further ado, let's get down to the table and have a crack at the escape to the Buckleberry Ferry, the flight to the ford, or whatever you want to call it, the escape to Buckleberry Ferry. So, as with normal scenarios, Good gets the first move, but after that, the priority phase will be normal. So, we've got the 2 Ringwraiths over here, we've got the Buckleberry Ferry over there in the middle of the map, and we've got the Hobbits running through the Farthing Woods. So, here we go. Let's move Merry first, and Pippin, and Sam with his carrot, and Frodo. They're just the basic hobbits, no sting, no mithril coat yet, because of course they're just leaving Hobbiton. The Ringwraiths are basic Ringwraiths as well, but they do have 7 will and 1 might each, so it's all about an even matched game.
So I'm going to move there, and I think I'll cast a spell.
Right, okay, we're going to get 1 casting of 1 spell from which Ringwraith and at who?
This Ringwraith right here.
Right.
We're going to cast it good old Frodo.
Okay, so Frodo's getting to...
compel.
He's going to compel Frodo. Okay, so he's going to use some will. How much will?
2. We'll go for
2 whole
dice.
points of will. Okay, 2 points of will. This is he's already whittling him down to 5. Let's see what can he do.
Nothing.
Oh, it's a double 1. Oh wow, that's unfortunate.
There we go.
But it's okay because they've got a chance to win priority this turn. So priority roll off. Grey is me, red is the Ringwraiths, and it's a 1 for the Ringwraith and 6 for the Hobbits. Hobbits go forth. They're taking the Hobbits to Buckleberry Ferry. Right, and they're all going to just charge straight forward in the hope that the Ringwraiths don't sort of slaughter them all. They're heading us off this time. Here we go. So, standing directly in front there. No throwing of stones because they've moved forward this time. Any magic from the Ringwraith at the back? When it's just moving?
Let's go for Black Dart.
Oh, he's going to try a risky Black Dart on...
Take it, this little guy on the
right,
end.
okay, we'll try Merry for a Black Dart. Okay, can he resist this Black Dart?
Use 3 points.
3 whole points. Careful,
5+.
Careful, because you've only got a certain amount of will. You don't want to be
only 7,
disappearing.
Yeah. 4 left.
Okay, 4 left. And he's got the 5. He's got the 5. Okay, so Merry gets a free point of will to resist with because he's got resistance to magic. He doesn't get it though. So black dart on Merry. Will the black dart kill him? Oh, actually, I could use a point of might. Shall I use a point of might? Yes, I will use a point of might to alter that to a 5, and then I resist the black dart. So Merry has no might and no will. Sorry, has no might because he didn't spend his will point there, which is fine. So, okay, so one Ringwraith is on 5 will and the other's on 4 will. Okay, I'll keep track of that. But now it's a movement phase, or the next priority phase, sorry. So, Ben, you can roll first, I'm great. Oh, 6 for the Hobbits again. Look at that, they're rocking it. Right, so what am I going to do here? Well, let's see if Merry, who's already lost a point of might, can he pass a courage check to get into the Ringwraith at the front there? No, he can't. He fails. This is not going to go well. Pippin, can you do the same? Come on, Pippin. Pippin fails as well. Oh no, the Hobbits. I'm going to leave the other 2 to move forward. So we'll do that, and Sam will follow. So Pippin and Merry are frozen in fear with the Ringwraiths surrounding them. Frodo and Sam are running through there. Oh, it's straight in there to the. Oh, so it's Frodo against a Ringwraith and Merry and Pippin being charged by a Ringwraith too. This is not going to go well. Okay, let's see what we've got. So Ringwraith with 4 will. Oh no, this was 5 will against Merry and Pippin. A 6. Oh, 6. A 6 for the Ringwraith. So the Ringwraith takes it, wins the combat. We've got Pippin with Merry with no might and Pippin with a might point. So
go for Merry.
Go for Merry. He's the weaker Hobbit at the moment. So can the Ringwraith kill him? Ooh,
not a chance.
Not on a 1, not on a 1. Okay, they survive, but he loses a point of will, so he's down to, both of them are down to 4 now. Interesting. Okay, so they do move back there. Oh, I've already moved them back. Right, next we've got Frodo, who only has 1 attack, poor old Frodo, against the Ringwraith. So 4 from the Ringwraith, and a 1 from Frodo, really not doing well there. I could use all my might to draw the combat. No, I'd still lose because of your fight value. So here we go. Ringwraith, the Ringwraith messes up his dice all again. Oh well. Okay, so the Hobbit will move an inch to the side. Ringwraith loses a point of will, so he's on 3. Can priority go the Ringwraith's way this way? They kind of need it. It's a 2 to the Ringwraith and 3 to the Hobbits. Okay. What do I do here? What do I do? Well, Frodo's going to launch off. Oh, knocked a tree down. He's going to launch off that way. So that there, and Sam is going to charge. Oh, he's going to try and charge the Ringwraith. I'm not quite sure on his courage, but I think that'll do it. It's a 10, so he's going to charge him, but he's going to come around the back to protect Mr. Frodo in the way that he would. And Merry's going to sacrifice himself too for his loving cousin Pippin, and he does on a 10, so he's going to go around that way as well, and Pippin is going to run between the 2. So here we go. So they've got no magic left, but they're on 4 and 3 on the will, so we've just got to whittle them down for a few combats and hope that we win. Here we go. So combat with Merry against the Ringwraith. No might here. Oh, a 1 for the Ringwraith. Oh, actually, if you do spend your point of might, you will win the combat.
I do.
So
I think I will.
I think you might. Yeah, I think you're gonna have to, because otherwise you're gonna run out of will. So Merry loses the combat. Can you kill him? It only needs a 3. He gets the 5. Okay, so 1 point of fate for the Hobbit, and we will see if he survives. It's a 6, so he does survive the combat. The Ringwraith is down to 2 will. And the Hobbit lives to fight another day. This is nail-biting stuff. Sam with his carrot against a Ringwraith there. Let's just make them look a bit more thematic. There we go. Okay, who's going to win in this valiant duel? I think Sam has 2 attacks, doesn't he? I'm not 100% sure.
Nope.
No, he just has 1.
one.
Okay, I was getting too excited there. Okay, Sam has 1 attack. Oh, he needs a bit of 2. He beats a 2, although you do have might.
I will spend that might.
You can spend the might, and well, then I suppose I can spend might as well, and I will do that. So I will draw out your might, and I will spend a point of might for myself. So I've got 2 points of might, I believe.
Yep.
So I'll be able to, I'll be able to win that combat. Sam, come on, strike down the mighty Ringwraith. He gets a 3, no chance. Okay, but the Ringwraith, importantly, does lose that point of will. So we're down to 3 and 2 on the will, I believe. I think that's right.
No, he was down to 1 because
yes.
after the fight now.
Oh yeah. Okay, so 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Is that right? Okay, I hope so. Anyway, it's hard to keep track of these things sometimes. Okay, so priority then. Here we go. A 6 for the Ringwraiths and a 4 for the Hobbits. So the Ringwraiths are going first, unless I use a point of might from Frodo to call a heroic move, which I will do. He's only got how many points of might? I think he's got 3. Or is it 2?
He has
2 points of might. So he's going to call a heroic move. So everyone within 6 inches of him gets to move for free. And he's only got 1 point of might left. So he's going to move off 4 inches. So there, on the way to the ferry. There, Sam's going to move off 4 inches on the way to the ferry. And Merry and Pippin's going to go first. As long as he ends within 6 inches of Frodo, we're okay. So he's going to have to go the full distance 4 to actually get there. Okay, so that's an important move there, heroic move. So we've got 3 and 1 will left on both of these Ringwraiths. Can this Ringwraith get into combat? It looks like he can. So yes, he gets into combat with 2 Hobbits, a risky manoeuvre. He will lose and die this turn, but can he survive or kill anyone during the combat? Let's find out. Okay, so Merry and Pippin against the 1 will Ringwraith. Here we go. It's a 4. The Hobbits. Can the Hobbits beat this? Pippin has a point of might still. I should have said which one's which, but it doesn't really matter because they both win anyway. So no matter what, the Ringwraith will be banished this turn. But would they have killed him normally? Oh yeah, they might have done. A 6. And a 5, yes!
Yeah.
He nails him without bothering to do the will anyway, so it's fine. So Hobbits kill the Ringwraith. Excellent work. Sam now, who's short on might. He's got 1 might left, and he's fighting a Ringwraith. See how the Ringwraith does. Oh, it's a 2. I can beat that. Oh, with a 5, he does manage to win. Excellent. So the Ringwraith is now down to 2 will, but can he kill him in combat? No, he can't. Okay. Here we go. Priority then. It's a 6 for the Hobbits. They seem to be running on good luck. They've charmed lives in their Hobbity borders. So Frodo is straight off the onto the ramp. Sam, he's going to go onto the ramp as well. And Pippin's going to go onto the ramp. Merry's going to try and sacrifice himself. Okay. Oh no, he needs to do a courage check. No, he doesn't. So Merry is stuck there. So that's it's a tough one. It's a tough one. Okay, let's see what happens with the Ringwraith. What are you going to do with the Ringwraith, Ben?
He's going to charge in a last-ditch attempt to try and kill them both in one beautiful sacrificing act of combat.
Absolutely. Okay, so Frodo and Sam. Frodo is the first dice, 3. Sam is the second dice, a 3. 4. Okay, so I will use. Damn! I've only got 1 point of might in each of them. No, I can't win the combat. Damn. Okay, so that's down to the Ringwraith. The Ringwraith. Can he
go for Frodo?
Frodo first. Yeah, he wants to kill Frodo. It's a 2, nope. So there's no chance of killing there, and he's got 1 will left after losing that combat. But I think it might be too late because the Hobbits are going to launch off the end of the.
If they've got initiative.
Oh yes, of course. I need to win the priority. I have got a 6, so... you got a 6 as well. Who had the priority last time? I did, didn't I? So, yeah, it's your turn. Here we go. Although, there's very little you can do with a 1 will Ringwraith other than block me, I suppose.
Well, you need both of these to survive, in fact. So if I charge him round here...
You charge...
I'll charge 1.
You charge 1, charging... and then Sam is going to have to try and pass a courage check to get in. He does pass the courage check, so he's going to be able to help, which means hopefully we've got more of a chance of winning this combat. And then the Hobbits will dash forward slightly, so this one's going to go there, this one's going to go there. Then it's all down to this final ditched combat for the Ringwraith to try and block the Hobbits. A 5. That's tough, that's tough. Here we go. It's a 4 and a 3, and both have a point of might, but neither have 2. So the Ringwraith wins again. Can he kill a Hobbit before and end it all in the last turn? Because if you kill, all you need to kill is 1 Hobbit. Who are you going to strike?
For Samwise.
You're going to go with Sam because both have 2 wounds actually, so you're going to struggle here. Here we go. It's a 5. You do wound 1. Let's say it's. Who do you want to go for? Frodo.
Sam.
Okay, go with Sam, and Sam takes a first fate point. he survives. So the Ringwraith is then puffs into smoke, and the hobbits dance off the end of the Buckleberry Ferry. Woo! Excellent. Victory for the hobbits. So there you have it. The hobbits won in their escape to the ferry, a Buckleberry Ferry. There'll be another scenario that I'll be uploading in just about a week's time, or maybe a little bit over. Just stay tuned on the channel, subscribe at the bottom, and thank you very much for your support. And if you've liked and commented on videos in the past, please do keep doing it. It really does keep me motivated to make the next one as quickly as possible. So yes, stick around because there'll be another Tolkien month birthday challenge coming up very soon. So stay tuned on the channel. Thanks for watching.